All right. This last little bit shows you absolute value equations with fewer than two solutions. And there's two options I'm going to show you. I'll show you them both. All right. A and B should show you both options. And then you will have the opportunity to try C and D to see if you come up with similar results. So I'm going to do the same thing, or at least try to do the same thing we did in the last video. I'm going to solve for this absolute value. To do that, I have to get rid of this plus 2, which we'll do by minus 2. And I get negative 5 times the absolute value of x plus 1 equals 10. Then I divide by negative 5. And once I divide by negative 5, we're going to notice something. I have the absolute value of x plus 1 is equal to negative 2. I'll keep track of it in my head, bud. All right. So when the absolute value of x plus 1 equals negative 2, really there is nothing inside the absolute value that can equal negative 2. Nothing I can put here comes out. If I put in a negative 2, it's positive 2. Positive 2 is also positive 2. So if you've ever solved for the absolute value and the solution on the other side of the equation is a negative 2, you have come into a situation where there's no solution. All right. And there it is. No solution. All right. Now, there's one other special case. You got 1:20 left, buddy. I'm going to try again, solve for this absolute value by adding 3. And I get 3/5 times 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now, you can get rid of this real quick. Again, we're solving for this. You can multiply by the reciprocal, which is 5/3, and multiply by 5/3. Well, over here, 3's cancel out, 5 cancel out, and I get the absolute value of 2x minus 4 equals, well, 0 times 5/3 is 0. When that hits 3, you're done, big man. Okay. So this is actually a plausible solution. But when we try to split this thing, if I go 2x minus 4 equals 0, and I want to set up this other side, there is no negative 0. So, no, you can't. But I like that you said that. My son's down here talking to me. I'm going to finish this up really quick. So in this situation, we only have one solution because there is no negative 0. So you take this and solve, plus 4, you get 2x equals 4, divide by 2, and x equals 2, a single solution. So there we have two situations. One where you're set equal to 0, which you only have one solution, and one where you're set equal to a negative after you solve for the absolute value, and those are no solutions. I'm going to highlight C and D. These should be special situations. I would like you to find them out, and we'll talk about them in class tomorrow. Thank you.